Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing all my fidgets. This isn't all of them, this isn't even half of them, this isn't even close to being done. All of my fidgets. That's so satisfying. It's not even all of it. I have this whole bucket is filled. Dimple. Simple dimple. Pop it, schoolish. Okay, so but before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. In 5 seconds. Can you do it? Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, excellent, and you might get a shout out in one of my next videos. Now let's actually get started. So the first fidget I'm gonna be going by color, I think. Actually no, because then I would have to dig. So I'm not gonna go by color, but I'm gonna go with this fidget spinner first. It's this fidget spinner. It's a fidget spinner. And then it's also a puppet. It's like a dimple fidget spinner, and it's on brand. Has this little brain on it. They're like the exact same, so you can hardly tell what's the difference. Then we have this infinity cube. I actually have 3 infinity cubes. Let me show you all of them. 1 is made out of metal. 1 is a mini one, and then 1 is like one of the regular plasticky ones. While I'm on it, I'll show you this. It's a wacky track, but I made it into a snapper. I did not know that. And just go beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop. And then yes, so I'll show you what I have so far. Is this infinity cube. This one's made out of metal. This one's the mini infinity cube. I'm so happy I got these, because this is like really hard to find. So yeah, and then I'll show you my other one when I find it. Then I have this really cute Neato. Its face is coming off, but that's fine. And then we have this. I love this. It's so satisfying. I love doing this, then this, then this, and then like stick your finger in it, and then play with the balls. So satisfying. And then I have this jumbo poppet, and the unpoppy side you can't hear at all. But then I'm going to show you the poppy side. So I don't know if you can hear it. Let's hear. That's the rug making that sound. Well, this is the poppy side. There. So that's a poppet. And then I have this. I don't know what this is, literally. It's just a ball with little, like these, like a color thing, pink color thing in it. Then we have this mochi. And then this water snake. It's really good. Guys, I know don't get mad at me. I know I have not done the eating pink food for a whole day yet. I actually have done that already. Like I told you, I'm still working on editing it, because it won't let me do this one part that I said, well, now I can't spoil it, but I'm just going to do, now I'm going to show you the but now it's not letting me show it, so I might have to do it again. So I'm going to do that in at least a month. So yeah, and then I have this poppet. I love it, it's so satisfying. So memorizing. Then I got this one from Target, and it's really loud. That's the unpoppy side. And that's the poppy side, so that's really good. And then I have this hand poppet. It's actually really good. The unpoppy side isn't loud, but it's really like soft. I want to see if my hand can do anything. It does something. So that's that. Then I know this is trashy. Don't backtalk me. But I have this squishy. And then I have this Orbeez ball. Sorry, I was just like frozen there for a little bit. Then this ball, it doesn't have Orbeez in it, but it's just water. Shout out to Jocelyn if she's watching this. She gave me this for 2 Oreos. Yeah. Then my friend Riley, she gave me this homemade squishy. She said she got it from Target, so. Like the kit. And then I have 3 of these. So, 3 of those. And then I have a lot of DIY fidgets, so there's going to be a lot of DIY fidgets coming up, so get ready. Then we have this. It's Orbeez and like these little balls and then a balloon. Then this one is water. It has soap in it. And then this is like, it's hard to explain. My back hurts so bad right now. I have to go to a volleyball game, guys, so yeah. I'm not going to show every single one of them because some of them are trashy, so I'm not going to show you the trashy ones. So yeah, I have the snapper. It's not trashy at all. This dimple. Simple dimple, pop it squish, zippa. Just love that. Didn't I already show you this? No, but whatever. Then I have this really cute. And then I have these magnet rings. I don't like them. Literally, I hate these. They were $15 and it's okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not good. Then I have this harder version of the other one. It's like hard Orbeez in it, like baby Orbeez. Then this pink Nito. I showed you this, didn't I? Okay, if I did, sorry, but if I didn't, this is what it is. And then I have this globble. And then I have this wacky track. Or not wacky track, it's like a kind of a wacky track. I'm going to give a shout out to someone. And I'm going to ship this to them. I'll order one again off of Amazon. Or wherever I got it. Or I can just make one for them, put it in a package, and then send it to them. But it's only if you like, subscribing, and turn on those post notifications. Like, half of y'all, because I got 15,000 views on one of my videos, half of y'all aren't subscribed. So, go ahead and do that. Please, it would really help my channel out. And you would get this really cool it's a fidget. So if you don't like fidgets, I'll give you something else. But still, I'm going to give you something. But you have to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. So that's the only way you're going to get this. And if you don't like fidgets, just, I'll get you a different something. Because I love fidgets. And a lot of people do. So I was just going to give this to someone. But it's really hard to squish, guys. I'm kidding. So please go ahead and do it. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Now, I'm not going to show you all my fidgets like I said, but I'll show you a little more. I have this tangled. Then I have, where is it? This Nido. So satisfying, guys. No, I don't have that much stuff to show you. I have a lot of stuff, but I don't want to show all of y'all. Because, yeah. And, I need to show you I'm going to show you a couple more, but this is only one of my favorite fidgets. Here's the cotton candy one I was talking about, guys. Not my favorite. These three are one of my top favorite fidgets. I have this pineapple, and it's on brand. It has a pineapple on it. Can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. So yeah, and then I'm Poppy. This is also on brand. And then this really cute mini snapper. I got this in Florida. I'm gonna squish it. You ready, guys? Okay. Well, I'm just gonna show you to prove you I'm not lying how much fidgets I have. Well, that's all for today's video. And like I said, I'm going to be giving that to someone who likes, subscribes, and turn on post notifications. So, yeah. Peace. Always be awesome.